I think the most exciting bit about Trugs is that it gives children a really good approach to reading. They get excited about reading.
Yeah! They love it because they're playing a game, and simply they don't think that they're working.
Who would like to play the Take It game?
Children become engaged with the games. They enjoy playing them. Once they've been introduced to them, they start to get very competitive, and you start seeing strategies and tactics and various thinking skills being applied, as well as the reading skills that they're developing.
Especially for those children who are struggling, it's been really nice to see those children who normally find it very difficult to read and to sit and read a book. It's been amazing to see how much fun they can have reading.
Because they don't feel the pressure, they're so desperate to win, the focus isn't on decoding the word, the focus is on the winning.
Well, I've designed the games in order that people won't realise they're learning to read, because I want them to play and enjoy. And oh gosh, we learnt to read sort of by mistake.
Well, I think it's a really good game for kids to learn to read, and also it makes reading much more fun.
I really enjoyed it because I got to win against the girls 3 times.
It helped me learn new words.
It's quite competitive and enjoyable because you want to win the game.
And for me as a teacher, to watch a child who previously has struggled, it's such a brilliant thing to see that child just with such a happy face that they have that success and they realise that they can do it.
The reason it works is because of the structure, and the structure is synthetic phonics, numbered into stages, which is approved by the government. You're taking them in step by step, stage by stage, higher and higher to reading really, really high levels. That's why it works. They don't know they're doing it.
Discrete, extreme, and complete. I'm getting better and better every step that I go.
The other nice thing about Trugs is that it's multisensory, so it incorporates various different learning styles and allows all children to make progress.
Especially with the assessment material that comes with it. Not only are you playing the games and seeing its success, you're being able to have a recording of that success and proving that they have made progress by playing Trugs.
Because I am absolutely hell-bent on helping children learn to read to a level that is successful.